me click.
Laptop. What is it? Why is it called laptop? Now, let us see how does a laptop look like. A laptop is like a square-shaped computer. Every laptop has a manufacturer company name on it. If you carefully look at it, you will notice that the laptop is slightly thicker near the hinges and narrower on the other side. We can open the laptop's lid from the narrower side. A desktop consists of monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse that together form a system. Similarly, a laptop has all this built-in system in one design. Now let us know why it is called a laptop. Here, lap means thigh. It is a portable and easily accessible computer that fits on the top of your lap. Hence it is called a laptop.